Let me give you an easiest explanation of hosting. Consider that you have created an HTML file in your computer, and when you open it, it will open in your browser and you can see your website. Now, if I want to open your website, then I can't open it because your HTML file is on your computer. If I want to open it, then you need to share your HTML file with me. But you all can access facebook.com without asking Mark for an HTML file. This is because Mark has put that HTML file on a server, a computer connected to the internet, and when you type facebook.com in the browser, your browser reaches out to that server and opens that HTML file for you. So putting your HTML file along with CSS files, JavaScript files and images on the server is called website hosting. We do this so that everyone in the world can access our website, as it is practically impossible for someone to share the HTML file with everyone in the world. I hope you understand this easiest explanation of website hosting. Please like this video and check out my article on hosting website using GitHub in 4 minutes. I literally mean this. It is free, and once you host this, then you can put it in your resume or share with the interviewer while discussing the projects. Thank you.